The chart has a clearer story. Tesla has support around 378 to 380. That's where buyers showed up in late May and again Tuesday afternoon. The 1 hour chart shows volume clustering right at 379 with a bounce into the close. Entry I'm watching is 378 to 382, stop at 370, first target 400. It's a round number, prior support turned persistence. Second target 420, where the stock broke down from last week. If the merger narrative gains traction and if Q2 delivers on July 2nd coming strong, 400 happens fast. Third name, SPCX, SpaceX, 156 up 198%, which sounds like much more until you remembered the stock dropped 16% on Monday and was down 4 straight sessions. Tuesday it opened 151, dipped to 147, ripped to 165, settled 156. That's an 11.9% intraday average. They're still there, the direction is starting to change. Here's the catalyst. Russell Index inclusion. This 26th of 2 days now. Passive funds that track the Russell are required to buy. Estimates put the forced buying at somewhere between $15 and $20 billion. That's not a typo. Meanwhile, SpaceX just issued $250 billion in bonds and got $850 billion in demand. The credit market is betting on this company. The equity market just panicked for 4 days. The daily chart shows a stock that's trying to find a floor. Tuesday's candle had a long, lower wick. The sellers pushed it to 147 and the buyers pushed back. That's the first sign of a bottoming process. The 1 hour chart confirms it. Volume at 147 low was massive and the bounce to 165 while it faded showed real buying interest. The setup, entry 150 to 156, stop at 142 below that. The IPO price of 135 in play. Target 175, which was the post-IPO construction zone. Target 200 where the stock traded before the gamma unwind. Risk reward on this is asymmetric if Russell buying materializes. One reality check, Micron reports tonight, PCE inflation drops tomorrow, the macro backdrop is still hawkish, the dollar at a 1-year high, PMI at 55.7, the Fed not blinking. If MU misses or PCE comes in hot, these setups get tested, position size accordingly. This isn't about betting the farm, it's about having levels, having stops, and letting the setups work or not work on their terms. The bottom line. Tuesday was ugly, but ugly markets create levels. NVDA 200, TSLA at 380, SPCX with Russell buying 40 hours away. 3 names, 3 catalysts, 3 levels worth watching. You know the drill. Subscribe, hit the bell. Watchlist is in the description. Good luck out there.